I'm rushing. Look, Coffee and Yorkie. Coffee here. It's Derek's birthday dinner tonight, and we're gonna go to the club after. Let me just get ready real quick. Look at that. This is Coffee, and this is Yorkie, because she's from New York. Okay, Coffee, you skinny legend. Hey, that's my sister. Okay, we're done getting ready, basically. Look at how festive she looks. She looks like she's going to a Christmas work party. Let me just give you a quick rundown. We're gonna go to a restaurant in DTLA. What is the restaurant called again? Why is she shaking her boob so much? We're gonna go see Morten after at Exchange LA. I've never seen Morten, so I'm kind of excited. But I think it's like techno. But my god, no, but she looks so good. She honestly looks fucking festive. Watch her be the most dressed up. Okay, but look at Vivian. Stay tuned for drunk Derek, because it's his birthday, so we're gonna be giving him hella shots. Happy birthday, bitch! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Wait. That is so beautiful. Happy birthday! You're so...
Hey, what's up, you guys? Polo, we're back again with another food vlog. A little fry for the camera right there. Get a little focus in.
So embarrassed.
Little camera. We're gonna try it out. All right, here we go. Oh my god. Why is that like so good? Why is that so good? Comment on the video down below. This one's going crazy.
People actually helping, and there's people like, yes, you guys got it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you guys for coming.
Alright, cheers! Cheers! Oh? Yeah. Touch my cup, please. Touch my cup, thank you. Thank you.
Rachel, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling like the angle's not it. Having a very good time. When else will we get to sit on a fucking downtown rooftop, you know? Taking tequila shots.
Shout out to our Kansas waiter. You're so beautiful.
He keeps staring at her.
I wish.
And this bitch has not noticed him for like 2-3 times. And I'm just like, Vivian, get off your fucking phone.
Drinking tequila in the parking lot. It's my birthday. You gonna take a quick swig?
Oh, I'm gonna take a swig. Get the fuck out of my shot.
Oh.
Let's go! Get the fuck out.
I'm with my friends at Exchange right now. Look who showed up. Rachel's here.
Hey!
Let's get it.
Let's get it, bitch!
Sorry, but when did you bring an eyelash curler in here?
Find some sneaky links. We were in the club, okay? We were in the club for like a good 40 minutes. And these bitches wanted to leave. These bitches I fucking told her I didn't want to go.
Okay, but I was having a good time.
Happy birthday, Derek! Vivian, you're only 22. You'll be back.
I'm 24. What?
Toast in this economy is not free. Pay for that shit.
Oh my god. Guys, it's almost 4 a.m. What are we still doing out here?
What the fuck is
It's It's the following morning. Okay, but listen. Why did I get home at like 6 a.m.? I did not think that the night was gonna go that long, to be honest, but I feel like I was just moving around a lot last night. We ended up staying at the club. We went to Exchange for Morten. Never seen Morten. I don't think I want to see Morten again. But I was so down to stay because honestly, Derek's friends were so fucking fun. Like,
it's just I love you.
My friends wanted to go around to another friend's birthday party. So we ended up fucking Ubering all the way to USC for that. That was interesting too. I think we were there for like a good 2 hours. Honestly, I have no fucking idea. Derek said that he's gonna go to Seongnam to eat. So we're like, okay, let's fucking bounce over there. So it was like 4 a.m. We're eating like Korean soup. I need to get ready soon. I have to get to Newport by 5. We're gonna go on a yacht today. Derek is really just going extravagant for his birthday. Tomorrow's also another birthday. It's Eunice's birthday. Very important day. Okay, yeah, by the time I post this, it's gonna be way past Eunice's birthday. I actually ended up asking like a bunch of our friends if they wanted to go to see Noted on Monday because they're on tour. So they're in Cali and I really want to see them. I ended up asking a bunch of my friends to surprise Eunice, not let her know that they're all gonna go, and then just show the fuck up. And I was thinking about showing up to her house with a cake or something, because this bitch says she's making herself a cake. Like, I'm so sorry, we can't do it on your birthday. Grace had one job, to bring Derek's wine, and she fucking forgot it Her ass came here empty-handed.
Oh my god. If you guys didn't know, Vivian is a very great cook. Aside from being a rave slave, her other hobby is cooking. So she's making me her very famous pizza burrata toast, and then she's made me a matcha drink. There's a strawberry. Babe, I love that balsamic. It's really good. Just don't bring everything out here so quick. People think all. Period, sis. Here I am today at a Michelin restaurant called Vivian's House. Today I ordered a matcha strawberry latte drink. And then now we have this. Oh my god, it looks so good. Pizza toast with burrata and tomato. It's warm, it's hearty. You're so good. Shots. How do you feel?
I feel great.
Very excited to take this shot.
We're gonna take this shot with the bow tie, man. Alright, Derek. Cheers, everybody.
Alright Grace, how do you feel? This bitch usually gets blood and motion sickness, but she's okay today, so we're good. It's a good day.
The view is so nice.
No, it's so good. Let me just show you. That's a wiener dog. That's a fucking wiener dog.
That's a fucking dog on a sleigh.
Matthew, what are you doing? Rick, we need to calm down, Rick. This is crazy. Why is this crazy?
Hi, birthday boy, taking over the vlog.
Ew! Hi, my name is Jen. We're here tonight celebrating Eric's birthday. You probably can't hear shit I'm saying, but oh my god! Rick! Matthew, you're in the Titanic. There we go. What?
With a bottle of Jack.
I'm talking pedicures
on my toes.
What just happened? I don't want to be anybody else. Yeah.
You got a free ride to a beautiful life. Come on. Yeah, open up. Yeah.
Go, Mary. Radio. And the JV song was on. And the JV song was on. Stop the hands up, play my song. How was the girls all around me? Especially on the party. Me, don't drink it all. Let us have some.
I'm just merging all my worlds tonight. Like, I got my friends that I met in college, friends that I met during college, my high school friends. Yeah.
For the gram.
I'm very blessed to have met every single one of you all. Shout out to Jen and Amber. Friends that I met during college, Mary, Grace, Vivian. All my high school buddies. Oh!
Rick!
I love you guys. I love you. Peace the fuck out.
It's a hot Cheeto blanket.